We gotta start with the obligatory getting trashed session.
Grog?
Yeah,
Drink,
please. Please. I'll take a grog. Where's my...
This tankard.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, slam that. Slam that. Slam that. Oh, dude, I'm throwing up all over the table. Hey. Hey, you get out of here.
Oh, I'm throwing up in the cup. Again.
I'm throwing up in the fireplace. Oh, you got me. AR, me matey. A bird, I see. Oops.
You just clap that bird.
No, dude, there's no way I'm clapping any of these birds. I can't even stand up straight. Alright, we got out of that storm. Now we just gotta watch out for the Kraken and the Megalodon.
I know, dude. No. We just geared up. They cannot mess with this
The
Arctic
sun,
right now.
if they come after me now,
Dude, I'm gonna throw my sword in the ocean.
I'm gonna hit him with the heater.
Hang on, there's a group of islands right.
I'm gonna hit him with the hurdy-gurdy.
You see it? Like,
Oh, should I not be playing the hurdy-gurdy right now?
dude, no, stop! We're about to hit a rock. Dude, pull hard to the right, like now.
Hard right. Change the sail length. Change the sails.
Ooh, that's fun. Oh, dude, we got an anchor.
Here we go.
Yep.
We're here.
We're here.
Oh.
We have a problem.
Is there a shark?
No. Do you see our boat?
Is it sinking?
Yes.
Oh, it's gone?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it.
Need to find a mermaid?
Yeah, find a siren. There's a siren. This siren looks so much like a hot guy, though. I want to go over to him.
Better have sex with it.
Discovery Ridge. Let's see.
DR Discovery Ridge.
Discovery Zone. Feel old yet? This is Discovery Zone now. Just the inside of this ship.